In this video, I'm going to be giving you my ShiftSmart app review. Can you actually make money on this app? If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so basically ShiftSmart is a gig work app that connects workers with flexible shifts in industries like warehousing, logistics, delivery, and even retail. It positions itself as a platform where you can pick up shifts when it suits your schedule, giving you more control over your work-life balance compared to traditional employment. Now, the app works by allowing users to browse available shifts in the area, apply directly through the platform, and get paid for completed work. It's designed for flexibility. You can choose morning, evening, or weekend shifts depending on your availability. Payments are typically processed weekly, and the platform supports direct deposit, making it convenient to access earnings without those long waits. One of ShiftSmart's biggest advantages is the range of shift options. Whether you're looking for a few hours to supplement income or want to work full-time gig hours, the app offers opportunities to suit different needs. Now, the interface is straightforward, showing shift location, pay rates, and timing clearly so that you can make informed choices quickly. However, there are a few considerations. Earning can vary significantly depending on your location, the type of work, and shift availability. While the app advertises competitive pay rates, in practice you may find that some shifts pay less than expected or require travel that cuts into your effectively hourly rate. Availability may also fluctuate. Some regions have plenty of opportunities while others have limited shifts, making it harder to earn consistency. ShiftSmart also emphasizes worker ratings and reliability. So completing shifts on time and maintaining a good track record can also improve access to higher paying or priority shifts, but missing shifts or cancelling frequently can reduce opportunities. Additionally, as with many gig platforms, there are no traditional employment benefits like health insurance or paid leave, so everything is on contract basis. Final verdict: yes, you can make money using ShiftSmart, especially if you're consistent, flexible, and strategic about the shifts you take. It's best suited for people looking to supplement income or earn on a flexible schedule rather than as a full-time replacement for a salaried job. For those willing to invest the time and plan their shifts, it provides a legitimate, flexible way to earn some extra cash.